how to use Writesonic for product title or product description. On the main website, you click on the e-commerce over here and you will choose a title or description. I will go with description and I will type in what my product is, for example, organic skincare. So I will go with next. I will suggest benefits, so for example, these two, and go with next. After that, I will add more specific details about my product and go with the key ingredients, so aloe vera or dispan. And after that, it will give me a full descriptions of my product for my website, so I can just use it on my website. If I don't like something, I can just highlight it and improve the text or make it longer or shorter. So I can just do it and it will rewrite whole script for me and replace the actual selections. So this is the final text and I can use it on my website. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.